Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add the updated product details of your WooCommerce store to Google Sheets automatically. So you own a WooCommerce store and whenever you update a specific product in your store, you want to add the details of the very same product to your Google Sheets. But if you will follow this manual approach, you are definitely going to kill a lot of your time throughout the day. What if I tell you, you can entirely automate this process? Yes, whenever you are going to update a product, let's say the name, the title of the product, the details of the same product will be added to your Google Sheets automatically without any manual efforts. Yes, it is possible. All we have to do is to build up a connection in between WooCommerce and Google Sheets with the help of an integration and automation software, Pabbly Connect. And you do not need to know any coding stuff for that. Just follow my video till end and you will be also able to do that. But first, let me even show you the live example for the same. So you can see this is my WooCommerce store and I have updated a product here. Okay, this is the product and this is my Google Sheet where the data of the updated product has been added automatically. Yes, I have managed to add this particular data automatically, not manually. So follow my video in order to learn the process for the same automation. Open your browser first and type pabbly.com/connect in your browser and press enter, and this is how you will reach to the landing page of that automation software. From this blue button, create your free account. The account creation is absolutely free and you will also get 100 free tasks to create this automation. Okay, now click on access now. I already had an account, that's why I have clicked on sign in and then access now. Okay, I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From this blue button, start creating your workflow, your automation. Give any random name to your workflow. I am giving the name as when WooCommerce product is updated, add details to sheet. Okay, Google Sheets. All right, let me correct the spelling. Updated. Okay, all right, looking good. Click on create. And once you will click on create, you will see two boxes in front of you. These are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale has happened in any payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. Another example, when a form is submitted, let's say Google Forms, share a file via Google Drive application. According to our use case, when the product is updated in WooCommerce, any product is updated in WooCommerce, share, basically add the details in your Google Sheets. Well, I am going to set up this particular step later. Let's come back to the first step only, which is connecting the WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect so that we can actually capture the product updated details in Pabbly Connect. Now in trigger event, I will choose the trigger event as the product is updated. Here it is, the product is updated. Now as soon as you will choose the trigger event, you will see a webhook URL and some set of instructions. Okay, follow these instructions one by one so that you will learn how to actually connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. For now, I am copying this webhook URL and let's go to our WooCommerce account. This is my WooCommerce account and here I will go to my settings. Okay, WooCommerce, and then click on settings. Alright, basically we are building up the connection in between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Now click on advanced from the top. Here you will find the webhook option finally. Okay, and click on add new webhook. Let me again maximize it so that you can see it very clearly. Okay, I have clicked on new webhook. Give any random name. I am giving the name as send the details when product is updated. Okay, again spelling. All right, In status, make it active. The topic will be again, the product is updated. All right. Delivery URL, let's paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from the Pabbly Connect. Now click on save and you will see the webhook URL will be created. Basically, our webhook will be created here. Okay. Webhook updated successfully. Now again go back to Pabbly Connect and click on this recapture button. Okay, so basically what is written over there, read it. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record. So basically we are going to update any particular product in our WooCommerce. Okay, so go back to WooCommerce, open the product section, here it is, and I am going to update a particular product. Okay, so that Pabbly Connect will capture that data. So here I have this particular phone. I am going to edit it. Now let's update the name of this product. Okay, let's make it 1 2 3. I have updated the name. Now let's change the price, increased up to maybe 11,999. Okay, and I have updated 2 details here. Now I am going to click on update, waiting for this product to be updated. All right, the product is updated successfully. You can see the product is updated. All right, the name is updated. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and wait for the response. And waiting. You can see the response is received, and here is the updated name of the product. Here is the link of the product, and all other details are also here. Let's check where is the price. Okay. And here you can see the price of the product. So I have connected my WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect. That means our first step of an integration is actually done. Now moving further and selecting Google Sheet in the action application, and in action event I am going to click on add new row, because I want whenever the product is updated, a new row should be added in my Google Sheet. Click on add new connection and connect with Google Sheet. Okay, and connect your account in which your Google Sheet is actually available. So my sheet is available in this particular account. Okay, let's give the permission. Don't worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. You can actually rely on it. The authorization is successful and I am actually connected. Select spreadsheet. Well, it is asking to select a spreadsheet in which you would like to add the product details, and when you will click on this drop down, you will find all the spreadsheet of my account because I am now connected. Well, my spreadsheet which I have created is this update product details WooCommerce store. I have already created this Google Sheet. Okay, and I have added few fields here, basically the details which I want in my sheet. The product ID is here, name, product updated date, regular price, stock, image URL and product URL. Going back to Pabbly Connect, and select the same sheet because I want to add the details here only. Select a sheet, basically the name. The name of this particular sheet is summary only. That is why select summary. Now here we need to fill out the product details which we have actually received from WooCommerce response. But don't worry, we do not have to copy the details, each detail and paste it here. You just have to simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. You simply have to click on that. So first is the product ID, choose here. Second is the product name, select from here only, and whatever I am selecting here is called as mapping. This process is called as mapping, and the interesting thing about mapping is whatever data I am mapping will be changed automatically. Let's say a new product is updated, the detail will be changed automatically. This is the date of modified date, basically the date of product updated. The regular price, okay, let me find it, and this is how I can actually fill all the details one by one. Okay, so I have filled the rest of the details, basically the stock, the image URL and the product URL. Now let's click on this button, save and send test request, and see the response. and you can see the response is received, which means the data has been added to my Google Sheets automatically. And you can see, yes, the data has arrived immediately. All right, let me make it look even better. You can see the product ID is here, the product name is here, the updated name, date of product updated. Well, I think I have mapped a wrong value here. That is why it is giving me the response something like this. Let's check it. Well, the detail is actually correct. Let me actually change the format. Okay, format and number, and this is actually the date and time. You can see 21st July, and let's see the date here, and here is also the 21st July. Now everything is looking good. That means our automation is actually working fine. Let me test this particular automation once again. Okay, so for now I'm going to update one more product in WooCommerce, and we'll see whether the data is capturing in Google Sheet immediately or not. Let's go back to all product section. This time I'm going to update this winter shirt. Okay, and let's update the name of this. Let's say now I am giving it in the pack of 2. Okay, pair of 2 I should write, pair of 2. Let's change the price also. The regular price is now 500. Now I am giving 2 pair, that is why I will give it at 900 price. Okay, let's update this product. You can see the product is actually updated. Now I'll have to wait in my Google Sheet for the responses. You can see the pair of 2, the updated product name is here, and the updated price is also arrived. That means our automation is working absolutely fine. First, we have connected our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect and captured the data of product updated. Okay, and then we have sent the same data to our Google Sheet in our application, in our Google Sheet application. I hope you have understood all the things. I will also attach the link of the same workflow. Okay, I will add the link of the same workflow in the description box so that you can actually clone the same workflow in your account absolutely for free. Okay. And generally people ask me that do they really need to do this setting, do this automation in Pabbly Connect again and again? No, once you have set up this automation in Pabbly Connect, you can actually close the Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Connect will do its job in the backend. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.